Hi everyone. All right, today let's explore how we can use the choice add-on in PearDeck for our math lesson. So I'm starting here with a blank canvas. So let's say, I don't know, I can't think of one. I don't use this a lot in my math classes because, I like for my students to talk through the problems instead of just picking an answer choice. But if you have or see something that is appropriate, you can use choice add-on. So let's create one. Let's say you have a question. Let's say which of the following. Let's say okay, which of the following also means I don't know, solution. So I'm going to put that in solution. Okay. All right, so the answer choices that I will come up with is say choice A is, I don't know, x-intercept. Wait, that is the answer. Hang on. Maybe y-intercept and give them A as the answer. Okay, I'm going to make B the answer. X-intercept, right? The origin. D, they're going to be like, what is the origin? Solution, I don't know, your best friend's advice. Your best friend's advice. Advice. All right, so now I want these little choices to separate a little bit. So go to select them and go to this little thing right here. Or actually this one right here, to put a space after each of these. So that will give you some space right there. And if you want to, you can bold your answer choices, right? Or make them different color. You can format this however you want, drag it into the center of your box, make it larger, change your font to make it larger. Let's say I like my students to be able to read these things. So you can also make the word solution a different color, okay, just so that it pops out, um, but not drop to the next one. So here, okay, so here it's called preparing your canvas, right? Preparing your slide, actually. Now you're going to go to add-on, so make sure you have installed this PearDeck thingy. So you go to add-on, and you're going to select the add-on that says choice. And once you select that, it's going to allow you to enter the choices, right? So for me, because I already have my choices written on the slide, all I have to put in here is A, B, C, D. So my students would respond A, B, C, D. You could actually put the actual answers in there if you want. Like you can actually go in here and type in x-intercept, y-intercept, blah, 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 right? So if you want to, you can say, oh, y-intercept, okay? Okay, but that's probably going to take you more time, of course, than, putting the letter A, okay? B, tap C, and then add another option for D. And I think you can have up to 5 choices. If you add another one, it'll be 5 choices. So A, B, C, D, and then you hit update slide, and it's going to add it to your slide. And when you get to this slide, the students will have a little box where they can enter their choices, right? A, B, C, or D, based on these answers, right? And I don't like to capitalize those things. All right, so there you go. So that's how you do it, and as simple as that. It does not take a long time. I don't see a lot of application for the choice in math because it's boring, right? It's I don't get much from the kids. The kids don't get to explain or anything. But if it is applicable, use it. And if you're going to use choice, make sure that your question has critical thinking built in, and not like my example here. My example is just definition, right? So or vocabulary. So which is fine. I think it's perfectly fine. It really depends on what kind of students you have. So, but that's it. Hope that was useful, and I will see you in the next add-ons. Bye bye.